Hi, today I want to talk to you about fibromyalgia. This is Dr. Andrea Pritchett from Vital Life Wellness Center in Dublin, California. Fibromyalgia has a diverse symptoms. There is no one symptom that can be associated with fibromyalgia. Everybody's a little bit different. The symptoms can vary from person to person. However, pain is usually the most common or the main symptom that people think of with fibro. So fibromyalgia pain is going to be diverse. It's going to be all over the body. Some joint pain and muscle pain, but all over. So one thing I want to tell you about pain is that it's oftentimes associated with an accident or an injury, some type of trauma. It could be recent, or it could be long ago. But a lot of times with fibromyalgia sufferers, they have had some type of trauma or injury in their life. Fibromyalgia is also not going to be resolved completely with one modality. That means that it is more complex, meaning you need to address, to truly address it fully, addressing it from a chemical standpoint, meaning the food and the drink, making sure that the food and the water or the drinks that you put in your body are appropriate for you and are healthy. Another thing is going to be emotional stress. There can be usually a very strong emotional stress association, and so dealing with it from that standpoint is going to be really important as well. And then musculoskeletally, of course, if there was an injury or a trauma, physiological trauma, then dealing it from a musculoskeletal standpoint is going to be very effective. So that's where I come in. I can help people with the NUCCA technique, and what that does is to address the pain. It actually changes the pathways. It stimulates the pathways within the spinal cord, which can tell the brain that it doesn't need to have pain. So it decreases the pain by stimulating those pain relieving pathways. And so that is one way that it works, as well as improving blood flow to the brain and blood flow leaving the brain. That can relieve and alleviate that fibro fog that so many people have. And that can improve that mental clarity and get you your brain working better. The other thing with the pain and the NUCCA is that it will stimulate the brain to be able to understand the accurate perception of where the body is. And so there's an abnormal understanding of the body when there has been trauma to the body. The brain doesn't know exactly where it is. It doesn't know exactly what's happening with the body. And so correcting that will allow the brain to work much more effectively. Another beautiful thing about NUCCA is that it does work so gently. The gentleness is really, really crucial for fibro patients because they have, fibromyalgia sufferers have such a heightened pain that they need gentle. They need a lot of tenderness and gentleness, and so NUCCA does that for sure. It is not going to be affecting it negatively. And so if you have fibromyalgia or know someone who does, I would love to help you. Please call my office at 925-829-7900. Thanks. Have a great day.